Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Today we're diving deep into the mysterious world of love. Have you ever wondered if someone had a little crush on you, but they were too shy to say anything? You know, those subtle hints, the secret smiles. It can be so confusing. Well, today we're throwing out the confusion and bringing in the clarity. We're talking about the 7 signs a woman might be totally into you, even if she's trying to keep it on the down low. So buckle up. Get ready for some laughs and let's decode those hidden feelings together. 1. Nervous Nelly or totally into you? Okay, first up, let's talk about nervousness. It's a common feeling we've all experienced at some point, especially in situations where we feel vulnerable or uncertain. Whether it's a job interview, a big presentation, or meeting someone new, those nerves can really kick in. We've all been there, right? That feeling when your heart starts racing, your palms get sweaty, and you can't seem to form a coherent sentence. It's like your body is betraying you, making it impossible to hide your anxiety. Well, if she's always a little jittery around you, it might not be a bad thing. In fact, it could be a sign that she really likes you. Nervousness can often be mistaken for disinterest or discomfort, but sometimes it's just the opposite. Maybe she's just a little nervous because, well, you make her heart flutter. When someone has strong feelings for another person, their body can react in unexpected ways. A racing heart, a shy smile, or a blush can all be indicators of attraction. Think about it. If she didn't care, she wouldn't care how she came across, right? If she was indifferent, she wouldn't be worried about making a good impression. Her nervousness shows that she values your opinion and wants to be liked by you. So, if she's fidgeting with her hair, avoiding eye contact, or maybe even blushing like crazy, pay attention. These small gestures can speak volumes about her feelings. They might seem insignificant, but they can be powerful indicators of her interest in you. Those could be telltale signs that she's smitten. When someone is infatuated, they often can't help but show it, even if they're trying to play it cool. A shy smile, a stolen glance, or a love-struck expression can all be giveaways. But remember, be kind. She's probably mortified that she can't keep her cool around you. It's important to be understanding and empathetic. Her nervousness is a compliment to you, but it can also be a source of stress for her. Just be your charming self and put her at ease. A warm smile, a comforting word, or a relaxed conversation can go a long way in making her feel more comfortable. Show her that you appreciate her feelings and that she has nothing to worry about. 2. The language of love. All right, next up, we're talking about those little acts of kindness. You know, the ones that say, "I'm thinking of you," without actually saying it. These gestures might seem small, but they carry a lot of weight. They are the silent ways of expressing affection and care, and they often speak louder than words. It's the little things that count, right? If she's always going out of her way to do nice things for you, it's a good sign, people. These actions are not just random, they are intentional and meaningful. When someone takes the time to help you with your groceries or assist you with paperwork, it shows that they are invested in your well-being. It's their way of saying, "I care about you and your life." Maybe she's offering to grab you coffee, help you with a project, or even just listen to you vent about your day. These are not just casual favors. They are acts of service that demonstrate a deeper level of care and attention. When someone is willing to invest their time and energy into making your life easier, it's a clear indication that they value you. These acts of service, they speak volumes. They are the unsung heroes of relationships, the little things that often go unnoticed but make a big difference. It's like having a silent partner who is always there to support you, even in the smallest ways. These gestures are the building blocks of a strong and loving relationship. It's like she's saying, "Hey, I want to make your life a little bit brighter." And who doesn't love a little sunshine in their life? These moments of joy and laughter are priceless. They are the moments that make life worth living, and they are often the result of someone who genuinely cares about your happiness. Now, this doesn't mean she's going to start doing your laundry or anything, unless you're really lucky. But those small gestures, they're a surefire sign that she cares. It's the thoughtfulness behind these actions that counts. Whether it's a small gift, a shared laugh, or a gentle touch, these are the moments that show she is thinking of you and wants to make your life a little bit better. So pay attention to these acts of kindness, because they are the true language of love. 3. The sweetest sound. Okay, let's be honest. Everyone loves a good compliment, right? It's like a little boost of confidence, a little reminder that you're awesome. So if she's constantly showering you with praise, it's time to sit up and take notice. Maybe she's complimenting your sense of humor, your intelligence, or even your dance moves. Hey, we all have our strengths. The point is, she's paying attention to you and she likes what she sees. Now, a word of caution, make sure the compliments are genuine. We're not talking about cheesy pickup lines here. We're talking about heartfelt compliments that show she sees the real you and appreciates it. 4. Time, the most precious gift. You know what they say, time is precious, and you don't just give it to anyone. So, if she's always making time for you, even when her schedule is jam-packed, it's a big deal. Maybe she's rearranging her plans to meet up with you, staying up late to chat, or even just sending you a quick text throughout the day. The point is, she's making you a priority, and that's huge. Think about it. We make time for the things that matter to us, right? So, if she's carving out a space for you in her busy life, it's a clear sign that she values your company and wants to be around you. 5. Jealousy, the green-eyed monster. Okay, this one can be a little tricky because a little jealousy can be cute, but too much can be a red flag. We're talking about that subtle shift in her demeanor when you're talking to other women. Maybe she gets a little quieter, a little more reserved, or maybe she even tries to steer the conversation in a different direction. Now, this doesn't mean she's going to turn into a possessive monster, hopefully, but it does suggest that she sees you as more than just a friend. She might not even realize she's doing it, but those little hints of jealousy, they're a sign that she cares about your attention and doesn't want to share. 6. Attention to detail. The little things mean everything. You know that warm, fuzzy feeling you get when someone remembers something you told them, even if it was something small? Well, if she's always paying attention to the little things you say and do, it's a good sign that she's smitten. Maybe she remembers your favorite food, your birthday, or even that funny story you told her weeks ago. It shows that she's genuinely interested in you and wants to know everything about you, even the seemingly insignificant details. Those little things, they add up to something special, something that says, "You matter to me." 7. Physical touch, speaking without words. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about the power of touch. Now, I'm not talking about anything inappropriate here, just those subtle, fleeting moments of physical contact that can send shivers down your spine. Maybe she brushes her hand against yours, playfully nudges you with her elbow, or fixes your collar when it's out of place. These little touches, they're like a secret language, a way of connecting without saying a word. They're a sign of comfort, affection, and maybe even a little bit of flirtation. So, if she's finding excuses to touch you, it's a good sign that she enjoys your presence and wants to be closer to you. So there you have it, folks. We've covered some fascinating insights today. Those are just a few of the signs that a woman might be secretly crushing on you, even if she's too shy to admit it. It's often the little things that give away her true feelings. Remember, everyone expresses their feelings differently. Some might be more overt, while others are subtle. It's all about understanding the nuances. So it's important to pay attention to her individual cues and trust your gut. Sometimes it's the unspoken words and the silent glances that speak the loudest. If you're picking up on some of these signs, don't hesitate. Take a moment to reflect on what you've observed. Don't be afraid to take a chance and see where things go. Life is too short to let opportunities pass by. You never know, you might just be surprised by what you find. Sometimes, the best relationships start with a leap of faith. Now, I want to hear from you. Your experiences and stories are what make this community special. Have you ever experienced any of these signs? Maybe you've noticed someone acting a bit differently around you. Share your stories in the comments below. Let's create a space where we can all learn from each other and grow. And let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching and for being a part of this journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more relationship advice and fun. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more exciting content.